Work with 2 people and ensure all tools are ready for use. Start with package 1 for the assembly material, then unpack packages 2 and 3 for the rest of the cabinet walls. Organize the screws and lay the cabinet walls on the ground. Unpack both cabinet wall sides from package 2. Insert 2 A1 connecting fittings. Make sure that the openings face the outside. Insert wooden B1 dowels in the outermost and middle holes. Screw 6 D1 screw-in dowels into their respective holes. Use a hammer to install 2 E1 feet into the bottom side of the board. Do this for the other side as well. Screw 4 D1 screw-in dowels into the top panel, and 2 in the middle part. Insert 4 A1 connecting fittings into the holes of the middle shelf. Insert 4 A2 connecting fittings into each of the rear panels. Insert 2 wooden B1 dowels into each side of the rear panels. Also do this for the supporting panels of the middle shelf. Insert the A2 connecting fittings into the rear supporting panel of the middle shelf. Slide the rear panels and the middle shelf into one of the cabinet walls, and then place the other cabinet wall on top. Tighten the connecting fittings and place the cover caps on top. Turn the tower upside down. Place the top panel on the cabinet walls and tighten the 4 connecting fittings. Do not forget to put the cover caps on top. Set the tower upright. Insert the aluminum grate into the unit. Secure the supporting panels using 3 D10 screws each. Slide the rear supporting panel onto the screw-in dowels of the middle shelf and tighten the 2 A1 connecting fittings. Attach the panel to the back with 2 A1 connecting nuts. Do not forget to put the cover caps on top. Insert wooden B1 dowels and 6 A1 connecting fittings into their respective holes. Screw 2 D1 screw-in dowels into the boards of both sides and the front. Screw the handle into the front side with 2 D14 screws. Attach all sides to the main board and tighten the A1 connecting fittings. Do not forget to put the cover caps on top. Adjust the height by turning the legs. Make sure the cabinet is level in its final position and secure it by mounting it to the wall with the 4 wall brackets. First, drill a hole in the wall and fasten the bracket with an E9 bolt. Secure the wall brackets by screwing them into the cabinet walls with the D9 screws. Plug the power cord into the outlet. Screw the machine's feet all the way in. Lift the dryer up and slide it into the top compartment. Secure the anti-tip device by screwing in 3 D9 screws. Attach the locking devices to the pull-out tray with the corresponding screws. Install the pull-out tray onto the runners and push until you hear a click. The pull-out tray can be adjusted using the wheels on the locking devices. Connect the water hose from the washing machine to the water tap. Plug the power cord into the outlet. Switch on the water tap. Place a washing machine or second dryer at the bottom. Please note, the pull-out tray can hold a maximum of 22 kilograms. Your Washtower cabinet is now ready for use.